afternoon, Bicolandia. We are now on our third match this Saturday. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the Ateneo Golden Knights. At ngayong hapon po ito, napakagandang bakbakan po ang ating mapapanood. Kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng maaksyong laban ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan, again, live na live tayo ulit dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium and also live on our media stream. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bucal Facebook page. So yun nga, nabanggit mo kanina na magandang bakbakan between the Panthers and the Golden Knights because dito sa larong ito makikita natin kung sino ang makakaad ng isa pang panalo on their side. Will the Ateneo Golden Knights or will the Annunciation Panthers get their win dito sa araw na ito? Yan ang ating aabangan ngayong hapon.
Ayan nga, Rick, ito nga pinag-uusapan na nga natin itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. Itong ating Annunciation Panthers, wala pa po silang panalo for this season of Bucal. 0-2 po ang kanilang standing. While on the other side, the Ateneo de Naga University have their first win at isa na po ang talo nila dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. At ngayong hapon po malalaman natin kung makukuha nga ba ng Annunciation Panthers ang kanilang unang panalo o pangalawang panalo po ang makukuha ng Ateneo Golden Knights ngayong hapon na ito.
Yan, so a little bit of pressure on the side of the Annunciation Panthers because yun nga, uhaw sila dito para sa panalo. Sa unang panalo on the Bucal Season 6 and on the other side, Ateneo, 1-1 on that record and gusto nilang madagdagan pa dito ng isa ang kanilang panalo dito sa ligang ito para makuha yung mga spot on the upper hand of the bracket.
Siyempre nga, Rick, nung last season nga itong ating Bucal Season 5, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, isa talaga sa inaabangan natin dahil napakaganda nung naging kanilang performance. Pero ngayong season na to, mukhang nakukulangan pa tayo sa ipinapakita ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kaya ngayong hapon na to, titingnan natin kung meron na bang pagbabago sa laro nitong ating Annunciation Panthers to get their first win. While on the other side, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights, titignan din natin kung magiging consistent ba sila sa kanilang laro para makuha ang kanilang pangalawang panalo.
So this game is an important game para sa dalawang kupunan na ito and Annunciation Panthers, kailangan natin makita dito yung eagerness nila doon sa previous season ng Bucal. Nakitang-kita nga na nagkaroon sila ng podium finish while on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights na talaga namang laban na laban para dito sa ating ligang ito. Sino ang mananaig, sino ang may magandang game plan at sino ang makakakuha ng panalo dito sa araw na ito. At on the side of Annunciation Panthers, to hear an update, let's call our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
Basketball is not about how you start, but how you finish. A blazing afternoon, Rick and Teen, and to our live stream viewers via One Media, TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and also via Bucal Facebook page. Today, the Annunciation Panthers are ready to show that their roar is louder than any early setback, and they're stepping onto the court with something to prove. After a tough start to the season with 0 wins and 2 losses, they're coming in with fire in their eyes, ready to turn things around and show everyone what they're made of. Earlier, I had the chance to talk to their team captain, Adrian Diaz, and according to him, doble kayod ang kanilang magiging laro ngayong araw, lalo na't sila ay kulang sa players. But will the Panthers rise to the challenge and secure their first victory, or will the Knights continue their reign? Isa lang ang sigurado, this is going to be a battle that you surely don't want to miss. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchokya, reporting from the sideline of Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon Unit Incorporated Panthers. This is Bucal Season 6, where future rise. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga ang ating Annunciation Panthers ngayong hapon na ito. Handang-handa na para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. Nga nasabi dito ng ating team captain na si Yes na talaga namang gagawin nila ang lahat para makakawa sila ng magandang play. And also, doon sa mga last play nitong ating Annunciation Panthers, hindi talaga natin sila nakitaan ng connection, communication sa loob ng court. At sana ngayong hapon na ito, makuha na nga ng Annunciation Panthers ang kanilang unang panalo because the Ateneo Golden Knights talagang andito rin para makibakbakan at para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Any updates?
Hello, Rick and Tin, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas reporting live from the side of Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. This game, they are going to stick to their game plan to execute their plays properly. According to Coach Mac, the Ateneo will commit a less mistake for the game to get the victory. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Jen, for that update. So yun nga, Coach Mac Tripulca, very excited and I'm sure excited na makuha ng kanyang team ang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. So yun nga ang aabangan natin. So as we can see on our screen, magsisimula na po ang bakbakang Panthers versus Golden Knights only here at Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan na nga. Doon sa last performance na nakita natin dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights, maganda yung kanilang inilalaro dito. Nakuha nga nila yung panalo nila against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, well, they have their second win or itong ating Annunciation Panthers snatch that para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. Now, jump ball na tayo. First ball possession will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, nagsisimula na po ang bakbakan ng Ateneo and the Annunciation Panthers. Now, jersey number 8 passes to 39. First score yan ng ating Golden Knights courtesy of Amador.
Now, Panthers ball possession. Pero mapapalakas nga yung pagpasang yon. So early turnover on this side of this Annunciation Panthers. Chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights to add their score para sa ating unang quarter ng laro.
Ayan. Maaga pa lang pero nakakomit na agad ng turnover itong ating Annunciation Panthers na kailangan nilang bawasan or kahit huwag na nilang gawin. Kasi at this moment, kailangan na nilang mag-step up dun sa kanilang laro. Right now, Ateneo on the run. Amador again. Back-to-back points coming from Johnny Amador of the Ateneo. Now, ball possession of the Panthers.
Diaz may hawak ng bola. Passes to Maru and muntik pang makagaman dito on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And yun nga, great steal coming from them. Back-to-back steal. Now Diaz to jersey number 8 of the Panthers. So basket count. Samahan pa ng foul dito. As we can see on that replay. What a great point conversion on the side of the Panthers. Courtesy of jersey number 8, Domasig on the side of their team now. Another chance for him. So basket para dito. Kay Domasig now 3-4 on our scoreboard.
Now, Ateneo's basketball. Jersey number 8 on the run, Belano. The passes on the other side. Amador naman ulit. May hawak ng bola. Good pass here. 10 seconds to shoot for the Ateneo's side. Belano, no good. Offensive rebound dito to jersey number 9. And that's a traveling violation. So, a turnover para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. And at this point, ito na yung chance ng ating Panthers para makalabang dito sa Golden Knights. Now on the run ng ating Panthers.
Domasig, heavily guarded here. Now Maru. Trying that one, pero no good. Now chance for the Ateneo again.
Yan ang Panthers natin, nahihirapan dito sa depensa ng ating Ateneo as well as their offense na kailangan nilang pag-igihan ngayon dahil nasa first quarter pa lamang tayo. But now, another chance for the Panthers. They need to keep up.
No Domasig. No good on that attempt. Pero andon ang kanyang rebound. Ventura fires for that 3 points at unang 3-point shot para dito sa ating laro.
If the Panthers will be consistent with this kind of game, they can really pull up this first quarter against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Belano Babawi, no good. Defensive rebound, Ranin. The second chance point.
What a great point conversion para dito kay Claro on the side of the Ateneo. Golden Knights now. Panthers ball possession. Detura will try again for that long three. No good this time.
Now we are tied on 6-all. Para dito sa ating first quarter, 7 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Now ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 18 seconds to shoot. Claro. Passes now on the inside. The steal from the side of the Panthers here.
So close first quarter for both teams. Panthers now with the ball possession. Detura passing the ball to Diez. Back to him. Now, 5 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Maru. No good on that attempt. And a whistle foul coming from our referee here.
Now, 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. It's the ball possession again of the Panthers. Now they have a chance here to take on the lead against the Golden Knights. 14 seconds to shoot on their side. Jersey number 81 now to inbound. Yes.
Detura. What a great pass. And Domasig with that point conversion.
No, ito yung kailangan talaga ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Communication sa loob ng court, and of course, as we can see, Detura being one of the players of the Annunciation Panthers na talagang bumubuhay dito sa kanilang team. But on that last sequence, jersey number 9 of the Ateneo Golden Knights fires for 3. That's Pentecostes. Na ball possession na ngayon ng Panthers.
Great steal coming from Claro. Now, Ateneo on the offense. And lamang na po sila ng isa dito para sa ating first quarter.
Now, Belano. Pass to jersey number 14. Now, Pentecostes again. No good. Now, the Panthers secure that ball.
5 minutes remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Detura to Diez. But Diez, traveling violation was called on him para sa last sequence na yon. So another wasted opportunity on their side. Ball possession ng Golden Knights.
Ngayon, Rick, as you can see, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, kahit nakailan na silang turnover dito sa ating first quarter, this is very different from what we've seen on their first 2 games. And now I hope talagang mas gagalingan nila ngayong game na ito. Now still ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 14, Solomon to inbound. 8-9 on our scoreboard, only a point lead of our Ateneo Golden Knights. Now tries for 3, coming from Pentecostes. Umiinat ngayon dito si Pentecostes sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 2 3-point shot coming from him.
Great steal on their team. Now, chance again for the Ateneo Golden Knights to score. Pero masyadong makulit dito ang depensa ng Panthers. But a great block coming from Bautista. Now, back to Ateneo.
Ang bakbakan para dito sa ating first quarter. Now the defense that we've seen, another steal from the side of the Panthers. Nagmamadali dito. And a great point conversion from the side of the Panthers. Courtesy to Kermedia. Now, chance again for the Panthers here. 2-point lead coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Hamoragan. 13 seconds to shoot for the Panthers. Tries for a dip three. No good. Now, Ateneo. Still on the lead of 2 points. Dito nagmamadali. Jersey number 2. Passes now. On the inside, loses the ball. Kaya naman another turnover for the side of the Panthers here. Dahil dyan, napatawag nga ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. 10-12 on our scoreboard. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, Rick. And as we can see dito sa ating first quarter, napakaganda nung ball rotation natin para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. And itong ating Annunciation Panthers nga, hindi ito yung larong inaasahan natin simula nung pagpasok ng ating call season 6. But para sa kanilang pangatlong laro ngayong season na ito, mas nag-improve sila kaysa dun sa kanilang first 2 games. And sana, this time, ito na yung pagkakataon para sa kanila na mag-step up para makuha yung magandang plays between their teammates. And also on the other side, the Ateneo Golden Knights, talagang andyan talaga, bakbak kung bakbak itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Of course, sa pangunguna po yan ni Pentecostes, nakadalawang 3-point play para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
So yun nga on the side of Panthers, they need to win this game with a 0-2 record para sa ating Bukal Season 6. Kailangan na nila ditong makakuha ng unang panalo. Now, Ateneo, nabanggit mo nga kanina na they want to maintain the winning streak para dito sa kanilang kupunan. So, yun ang aabangan natin dito sa dalawang kupunan na Ubala Oro. May hawak ng bola on the side of Panthers. Panthers will try. No good. Rebound on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Bautista passing the ball to jersey number 6. Losing that ball. So turnover on their side. Panthers on the offense right now. And team, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa mga loyal viewers natin na nakatutok sa Oragon Sports TV Bukal Facebook page. Ayan, shoutout po kay Sofia Francesca Recto, Carmelo Grabata, Justin Villegas, Kirsten Lois Papa, Justin Villegas, Aida Osea, and Elisa Rodriguez Parafina. Happy viewing po.
Maraming salamat po sa pagkakabay ng ating laro ngayong hapon na to between the Annunciation Panthers and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now we're still at 10-12 with a 2-point lead coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 6 tries for 3. That's good! Napakalinis. Galing dito kay Abiog. And now, Panthers naghahabol dito ng 5 puntos para sa ating first quarter.
And a great bawi on the side of the Panthers. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Panthers, they are down here with 3 points. Now ball possession ng Golden Knights, jersey number 5, fights for that one, and another point was added on their side.
Ngayon, kailangan pagigihan dito ng Panthers yung kanilang depensa. Then, madaling makapasok itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Very different dun sa depensang ipinapakita ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Sa nahihirapan na pumasok itong ating Annunciation Panthers sa loob. Now, still ball possession of the Panthers here. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Hamoragan.
As we can observe, palitan lang dito ng puntos ang dalawang kupunan. Pero paborito on the side of the Golden Knights because they are up here by 5. Hindi nila pinapayagang makadikit dito ang side ng Panthers. Now, chance for the Panthers here to add their score and chase the lead coming from the Ateneo side, and right on cue, point conversion on their side.
Now Ateneo with a 3-point lead against the Panthers. Abiog again tries for 3, no good this time. Offensive rebound pero steal from the side of the Panthers. Garmedia nagmamadali dito, going inside, no good. Offensive rebound. And that's good for a second chance point para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 1-point lead na lamang po ang hawak ngayon ng ating Neo Golden Knights with 43 seconds remaining on our first quarter. Jersey number 5 passes now. Jersey number 2, Abiog. But a whistle foul there. And the ball will stay on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights with 14 seconds to shoot here. 16-17. 1-point lead of the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 2 to inbound. Now, a great steal coming from the Panthers. Nagmamadali dito. And that's it. Nakuha na nga ng Panthers ang isang puntos na kalamangan dito. So, 17 seconds to shoot on the side of the Golden Knights of York. 12 seconds remaining on the corner. Tries for a 3, no good. Pero second chance point coming from jersey number 5. Yup. And that's the end of our first quarter. 18-19, a 1-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami for more action sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng Panthers versus Golden Knights, and we are in our second quarter right now and abante dito ang Golden Knights ng 1 point, 18-19 on our scoreboard. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers, tries for that one, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Kamoragan may hawak ng bola. Great move, pero nag-aagawan dito ng bola. Jersey number 17 and jersey number 39 on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And the ball possession will go para dito sa ating Golden Knights.
Ayan nga Rick, doon sa ating first quarter, napakaganda nung ating naging bakbakan dito between the Ateneo and the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe yung depensa na pinapakita dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, while on the other side, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, bumabawi talaga. And as we can see, napakaganda nung ating puntos ngayon, 18-19. Magkalapit lamang kaya hindi dapat magpakampante itong ating dalawang kupunan because we have a chance here na baka itong second quarter na ito ay mapunta sa ating Annunciation Panthers or pwede din naman sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. At para makikita yung update all the way from the side of the Golden Knights, let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Chan. Hi Chan, any updates?
Thank you, Rick and Tina. The Ateneo preparation is already tested by showing their skills and talent sa ating first quarter. And they are proving na sa kanila talaga ang larong ito. Hindi nga nagkakalayo ang score sa pagitan ng dalawang kuponan. And during the huddle, Coach Mac remind the players na para maiwasan ng ilang turnovers, huwag masyadong magtatatalon o huwag matakot makipagsabayan dahil alam ng coaches na madadepensahan nila ito ng maayos kung iiwasan ang errors. They need to put an extra effort nga dito sa ating second quarter to execute the game properly. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng Ateneo. Balik sa inyo.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, talagang tiwalang-tiwala dito si Coach Mac sa kanyang player na makaka-deliver at makukuha ang laro ngayong hapon na ito. At gaya nga nung nabanggit ni Chen on her report, hindi nagkakalayo dito ang score ng dalawang kupunan. So matira-matibay talaga para dito sa dalawang school na naglalaban ngayon. 18-21 on our scoreboard and the lead is still on the side of the Golden Knights. And Claro with that rebound. Ateneo on the offense right now. Chance for them para managdagan pa dito ang kanilang score. And now to hear this other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter on the side of the Panthers. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Tin, it's a tough start for the Panthers as the first quarter comes to a close, with the ADNU Golden Knights dominating on both ends of the floor. Isang malaking challenge nga ito, pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. With man-to-man zone defense as their strategy, the Panthers will execute their plays at babawi ngayong second quarter. Iyan lamang updates mula dito sa sideline ng Annunciation Panthers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. At ayan na ang gagawin ngayon sa ating second quarter ng Annunciation Panthers. Man-to-man defense para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And a good point conversion after that sequence para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 20-21, a 1-point lead coming from the Ateneo Golden Knights. 8 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back sa ating laro. Close match up para sa ating second quarter on the side of the Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights. 20-21 on our scoreboard. Talagang ang gandang laro ang ipinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan. Naghahabulan lamang dito kung sino ang makakalamang. It's either Golden Knights or the Panthers. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo.
Now, Claro on the inside getting that point.
Point para dito kay Claro to add their score 3-point lead. Hawak ng kanilang kupunan now. Chance for the Panthers here to score and lessen the gap para sa ating second quarter. In and out ball on the 3-point attempt. Agawan ng bola, but the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Claro may hawak ng bola.
Now, jersey number 14 with 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Amador. Now, Claro nakikipagbackpakan sa baba. It was on foul there. 20-23 para dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Claro will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. Chance para mas mapalaki pa yung kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya shoutout muna tayo, Rick, sa ating live audience dito. Shoutout kay Jan Calix Manalang, kay EJ Balde, Alexander Maru, kay Leslyn Habala, at kay Vince Irvin Santa Cruz. Yan, maraming salamat po sa inyong paglalabay ngayong hapon na ito. Now, Ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero one player of the Panthers is now down. Now let's see. 18-20-24. 7 minutes and 9 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Now, tinitingnan ng mga medics itong ating isang player from the Annunciation Panthers. It's jersey number 18. Detura. Ito yung isa sa mga player ng ating Annunciation Panthers na talagang grabe kung makipagbakbakan, and having him, kung magpapahinga man siya dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, malaking kawalan para dito sa ating Annunciation.
And I think nagre-review ngayon ng ating mga officials. Let's wait kung ano ba ang itatawag on that last sequence. Yun nga, papalitan na nga dito si Detura on the side of the Panthers. Maru ibabalik sa loob ng court, and as we can see on our instant replay, back to the ball game, ball possession ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Maru, great pass to Domasig on the side of Panthers, pero no good. Great steal coming from the Golden Knights here. Jersey number 14. Tatawin ng bola on their side. Chance to add their score here, and tries for that at 3 points. Jersey number 17. Pilapil makakakuha ng 3 points para dito sa Golden Knights. Back-to-back 3 points para sa ating laro. Annunciation Panthers with their own version of that 3 points.
Now, jersey number 17 again, Pilapil. Passes now to jersey number 14. 9 seconds to shoot here. Use the ball. Another turnover para dito. Annunciation Panthers have a chance here to lessen the gap. 4-point gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Maru. Maru again for 3. No good.
Ateneo basketball. Pilapil to inbound. And the Ateneo Golden Knights talagang ayaw magpahabol para sa ating laro. 27-23. Abante pa rin sila dito. 5 minutes and 55 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. But a great steal coming from the Panthers. Yes, tatawid ngayon ng bola on their side. Maru. And the rest of the Panthers taking their time here. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Now, Ateneo naman ngayon ang may hawak ng bola.
Now, jersey number 14. 15 seconds to shoot. Tries for a good 3. No good. Now, Panthers, andyan. Nagmamadali para dito. Pass on the inside. A fadeaway shot. That's good. Para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers, 2 puntos na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol dito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero stepping on the line, itong si jersey number 9 na si Pentecostes. Now another turnover para sa ating Panthers. And at this point, the Panthers have a chance again to tie the game or even take on the lead against the Golden Knights. Now Maru.
Panthers with ball possession. Tries for that 3. No good. Pero offensive rebound para dito kay Diaz. Another in and out ball para sa kanilang kupunan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Itatawid ngayon ang bola. Jersey number 8. Looking for his teammate. and aims for that clean basket para dito sa Golden Knights. Another 2 points was added on their side.
Yes, courtesy of Sarmiento. Ngayon, hindi dapat hayaan ng Annunciation Panthers na lumaki dito yung kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And at this point, it was a foul again. 25-29 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. We only have 4 minutes and 16 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Ateneo's basketball. May chance pa para mas palaki dito yung kanilang kalamangan. Jersey number 8. Passes on the outside. 14 seconds to shoot here. Loses the ball. At mapupunta ang ating bola sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 25-29.
4 minutes, rather 3 minutes remaining an hour. Second quarter, and bola ngayon ng ating Panthers. Maro to Diaz, and now jersey number 81 aims for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound on their side. Maru gagawan dito ng paraan, no good. Again, nahihirapan dito when it comes to the offense ang Annunciation Panthers. That's why they are down here by 4 sa ating second quarter. 29-25, again, Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang iniingatan dito ang kanilang kalamangan para hindi dito mahabol ng Panthers. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo team sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay Jasper Abante, Kyle Ken Sales at kay Andre Cañeta. Happy viewing po.
At yan nga, Rick. Ang daming opportunity para sa side dito ng Annunciation Panthers, pero hindi nga nakuha. Pero at this point, itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights extended their lead by 5 points. Now at this point, Panthers with a ball possession. Kailangan na nila ditong gumawa ng paraan to lessen that gap. Maru tries for 3. That's a good one.
With 3 points coming from Maru. On that last play, naibaba na naman dito ang dalawang kalamangan na kailangan nilang habulin para dito sa ating laro. Maru on the rebound para dito sa Panthers. A chance for them to tie this matchup or makakuha ng kalamangan. And now Diaz fires for that 3, no good. Offensive rebound coming from Domashan. Fadeaway shot, no good.
Lot of opportunities para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now Ateneo on the run, in and out ball. Good defense from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Maro ulit may hawak ng bola for the Panthers here. Tries for 3. That's good! Dalawang sunod-sunod na 3-point shot coming from Maru of the Annunciation Panthers. And at this point, nakuha na nga po nila ang ating isang puntos na kalamangan dito. But let's see on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Sarmiento passes now to jersey number 5. 10 seconds to shoot here. Was a foul.
So yan nga, ang sinasabi ng coach ng Annunciation Panthers, na kaya naman dito ng players ng kanilang koponan. They just need to be consistent at this moment. So yun nga ang nakita natin dito. Maru with the 2 consecutive 3 points para sa kanilang koponan. A big help para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. And on that last sequence, first time dito makalamang ng ating Panthers. But Ateneo Golden Knights again, ayaw talaga ditong magpahuli at makukuha or mababawi ulit ang kalamangan with 1 point dito sa ating second quarter. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Ayan,
remaining. Ayan, team, with a remaining time of 2 minutes and 5 seconds para sa ating first half. Yes, Teen.
Ayun nga, Rick, napakaganda nung change of momentum dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers from their first 2 games. Ngayon lang natin nakita yung ganitong magandang bakbakan nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. Napakaganda ng performance na.
Ayan, mag-shoutout rin tayo sa ating mga live viewers para sa ating laro. Shoutout kay Miss Janjan Basales na kasama si Samantha. Ayan, happy viewing ulit po.
Ayan, napakaganda nga nitong ating second quarter, 31-32 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero itong ating Annunciation Panthers, napakagandang performance po yung kanilang ipinapakita dito sa larong ito against the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ito nga si Maru, itong ating Annunciation Panthers, isa sa mga nag-step up na players sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And let's see, kailangan lang maging consistent dito ng ating Panthers and at this moment nagkakagawan sa bola. A minute and 52 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Now, substitution on the side of Panthers. Binabalasan na ngayon ng players on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Maru to inbound. Diaz with the ball. Will try for that 3. No good. Ateneo on the offense right now. Jersey number 23. No good. Now Diaz on that rebound. Panthers, they need to score here para makuha ang kalamangan para sa ating second quarter. But again, crucial violation was called on Diaz on that last sequence. Traveling violation.
Ngayon, a minute and 20 seconds na lamang po natitira sa ating second quarter. Still on the lead ng isang puntos itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Sarmiento passes on the other side, no good. Now chance for the Panthers here to get a point. Carmenilla ngayon may hawak ng bola. 16 seconds to shoot. Maru heavily guarded here. Tatlo laban sa isa. And the whistle foul was committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, galing dito kay Bautista. Now Maru on the free throw line.
Kailangan ito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. So basket para dito kay Maru on that first attempt. So deadlock at 32 para sa ating first half.
Maru for his second attempt. We're tied. 55 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. No good. Now, Ateneo on the run. Sarmiento. Traveling violation. Nakakailang turnover na itong ating dalawang pupunan na ito sa ating first half. And kailangan gawin nila yung opportunity para sa kanilang mga team to get a point here and to widen that gap within each other. Now, Annunciation Panthers, Carmenilla. 16 seconds to shoot here, going inside. Pero another steal from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 30 seconds remaining. Jersey number 5, fadeaway shot, no good. Bola pa rin dito ng Golden Knights. At this point, nakuha na nga yan ng Panthers ni Diretso de Tura. Carmenilla, no good. 10 seconds remaining. Na Golden Knights, malalang-mangan pa ba sa pagtatapos ng ating second quarter? Only 4 seconds left here. 32 all ang ating puntos. Dahil dyan napatawag pa nga ng timeout itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. 32 all, 4 seconds remaining. Kaya Rick, shoutout tayo dito sa ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Guapa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lamon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University at NCF Wings. And of course, shoutout din natin si Janjan Basals. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. And of course, kay Marniela Berids. Ayan.
Ayan, 4 seconds remaining para sa ating first half. And close fight between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the Annunciation Panthers at this moment. So match na match talaga dito ang dalawang koponan na ito. Kitang-kita naman sa effort at sa defense and offense na pinapakita dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium.
Yes, napakaganda din nung naging pagsisimula nito para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. And we're really excited kung ano pa kaya yung third quarter action na maibibigay nitong ating dalawang koponan. Now, Ateneo with only 3 seconds remaining. Now tries for 3, no good. And that's the end of our first half. Napakaganda po. We are tied on 32-all at nagbabalik po kami para sa mas maaksyong third quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng Annunciation Panthers and Ateneo Golden Knights matchup para dito sa ating second game ng Saturday matchup sa Bukal Season 6 rather. So we are deadlock at 32 and nasa second half na po tayo. Let's see kung sino dito ang aarangkada at patuloy na mananaig at makakakuha ng kanilang panalo sa araw na ito.
Ayan nga, Rick, napakaganda ng ating first half dito sa ating laban ng Annunciation and Ateneo. 32 all po tayo sa pagtapos ng ating second quarter. And as we can see on our halftime analysis, napakaganda po ng ipinapakita depensa dito as well as the offense of these two teams. At para sa ating mga turnovers, medyo napadami dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights na kailangan nga nilang bawasan. And of course, madami ding press ang nakomit dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers na magiging kalakasan nila dito sa ating third quarter courtesy of Maru ng ating Annunciation Panthers dahil nga napakaganda ng performance na ipinakita niya during our first half. Now, dito sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter, Dumasig on the free throw line na naipasok niya na nga yung unang iyan. Kaya unang puntos para sa ating third quarter, 33-32. At still on the free throw line itong si Dumasig. And 2-on-2 para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers having that 2-point lead against the Ateneo Golden Knights.
So magandang pasok para dito sa ating third quarter ang pinapakita ng ating Panthers. Now chance for the Golden Knights here to score. What a great steal coming from Maru on the side of Panthers.
Now Detura loses the ball. So another turnover for the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now let's see dito sa ating third quarter kung ano pang maipapakita ng ating Annunciation Panthers na ngayon ay lamang na sila. Kung kaya para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, let's hear it from Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin dyan?
Rick and Sean, we're now well into the third quarter and the Panthers have now clawed their way back up and are now leading the Ateneo Golden Knights. Ani ni Coach Van, i-enjoy lamang ang game at huwag magpadala sa emosyon at gamitin ang utak sa laro. The Panthers are showing some fight and they've been working hard on setting screens to create open works and boxing out to secure crucial rebounds. Iyan lamang updates mula dito sa sideline ng Annunciation Panthers. Balik sa inyo.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So the Panthers, they need to be consistent at this moment because we are in our second half right now and they need to win this game. Gaya nga ng sabi ng kanilang coach, talagang nagdoble sikap talaga or nagdouble effort dito sa training, sa naganap na trainings ang side ng Panthers. So let's see kung magagawa ba ditong makuha ng ating Annunciation Panthers ang larong ito. Now on the other side of things, to hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter Jen. Hi Jen, anong balita Jen?
Thank you, Mackenzie. And we are now on the half quarter of the game and it is really something dahil mas tumitindi ang aksyon at tensyon dito sa dalawang kupunan. Kailangan palalo ng Ateneong mas sipagan sa loob ng hardcourt dahil gitgita ng score sa pagitan ng Panthers at Golden Knights. Para naman sa kanilang adjustment, they have to calm under pressure. Huwag magpadali dahil halos lahat sila gustong makapuntos. They have to read the situation and to make sure to do a fast recovery. Play without rushing, ika nga. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng Ateneo. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Jen. Ayan nga, dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, wag magpadali. All the players kasi dito talagang gustong makapuntos. But as we can see, dito sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter, wala pang puntos on the side of the Ateneo. But let's see, as this is their ball possession, tries for three. Clean basket para dito kay jersey number 9, Pentecostes. Kanina pa nga, first half pa lang nga, nagparamdam na dito si Pentecostes ng kanyang mga 3-point shot. Now, the Panthers, no good. Second chance point para dito kay jersey number 8 of the Annunciation Panthers, Dumasig.
Now an exchange of points at this moment for both teams, but Ateneo, nasa kanila ang ball possession. Chance for that one. At yun nga, magandang point conversion dito ang binigay sa atin on the side of their team. 1 point lead ang hawak nila. Now, Panthers with the ball possession. Maru with that long three. No good. Pero offensive rebound and Dumasig andoon sa baba para makuha at makakuha ng puntos on their side. What a great exchange of points at this moment sa ating third quarter.
Yes, and Dumasig doon sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Mainit-init para dito sa ating third quarter at bumawi naman agad on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Thanks to jersey number 14 Solomon. Kung kaya nasa Ateneo Golden Knights na po ang ating 2 puntos na kalamangan. Now ball possession of the Panthers here. Maru. 12 seconds to shoot. Passes to jersey number 17. Tries. That's good. Napakagandang bakbakan itong ating 2 kupunan.
Another deadlock of the match. Ayan, sa ating mga live audiences and viewers na nakatutok sa larong ito, talagang alam kong nag-e-enjoy tayong lahat sa nasusubaybayan at nasasaksihan natin sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. What a game para dito sa 2 kupunan na ito. Now, turnover on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Wasted opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, substitution. Couple of substitution on the side of their team.
Ayan nga, Rick. Napakaganda nga para sa mga fans ng Annunciation Panthers to see na talagang grabe yung improvement dito ng Annunciation Panthers from the start of our season. Now, as we can see, talagang doble yung kanilang effort para makuha yung mga puntos nila dito. 40-40. And a 3-point shot again coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Talaga nagpapaulan na dito ng mga puntos. Ano kaya yung magiging sagot dyan ng Panthers? And that's a block coming from Pentecostes. Pero the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers with only 13 seconds to shoot. Now Diaz. Pero whistled foul. 40-43 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakabilis lang po nung ating transition dito sa ating third quarter. 5 minutes and 37 na lang ang natitira sa ating third quarter. Now, Panthers, 14 seconds to shoot here. Hamuragan going inside, loses the ball. Chance for the Golden Knights here.
Number 12 to Abiog, and Abiog tries for that 3, no good. But a great defense on their side. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights, madadagdagan na naman ang 2 puntos para sa ating laro. 45-40, 5-point lead ang kanilang hawak ngayon para sa ating third quarter.
Now, kailangan pang hawakan pa ito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Dahil mainit na itong Golden Knights sa ating third quarter. And the ball will stay on their side with only 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 puntos na agad yung nailamang dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya sabi nga natin kanina, huwag magpapakampante dahil konting mali lang talagang mahuhuli ka na dito. Now, Panthers, Garmedia ngayon. 5 seconds to shoot, rise for 3, no good. Now, jersey number 39 secure that ball. Abiog passes to jersey number 14, 3 points, no good.
Panthers ball possession. They need to score right now. And now, the ball remain on their side. Garmedia passes the ball to jersey number 10. No good on that. Back to Panthers ball possession. With 13 seconds remaining to shoot para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Great steal coming from the Golden Knights. Now chance para lumobo pa dito ang kanilang kalamangan at para hindi na nga makahabol dito ang Panthers. Abiog. Jersey number 17 looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. Heavily guarded here. Wala pa rin dito on the side of the Golden Knights. At matatawagan nga ng foul si jersey number 39. Para dito sa ating Golden Knights side, we have Amador ang matatawagan ng that last sequence. Now Panthers on the offense right now.
Now chance for the Panthers here to lessen the gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights now. Anchazo. Napalakas ng pagpasa dito. And at this point, itong ating Annunciation Panthers mukhang nahihirapan sa depensa ng pinapakita ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights na kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan. Kasi at this moment, the Ateneo Golden Knights talagang lalamang at lalamang dito sa ating third quarter. 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining na lamang po ang meron tayo ngayon dito. And another whistled foul para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now still ball possession yan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 2 to inbound. Passes now to Pilapit. Abiog. Back to jersey number 2. Tries for 3. That's good. Napakaganda para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Dahil dyan, napapatawag ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 40-48. 3 minutes and 29 seconds remaining. Magbabalik po kami.
And we are back here sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating third quarter match between the Panthers and the Golden Knights. So ayan, mag-shoutout tayo sa ilang loyal viewers dito sa Oragon Sports TV and Boca Facebook page. Shoutout po kay Lois Papa. Happy viewing po.
Ayan, back to the ballgame tayo, Rick. 8 puntos na nga ang nagawa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And at this point, humahabol pa itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero nahihirapan nga sila dito sa ating third quarter. And at this point, the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights at may chance pa para mas mapalaki yung kalamangan nila dito bago pa magtapos itong ating third quarter. Kaya kailangan gumawa ng paraan itong ating Annunciation Panthers para makuha muli yung kanilang momentum. Now, Abiog tries for a quick 3. No good.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. So, Ateneo, mayroong 8-point lead dito sa ating laro. The biggest lead para dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Detura and the rest of the Panthers team kailangang makapuntos para dito sa ating laro. And now, foul was called on the player of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Substitution nga para sa kanilang kupunan.
Rick, nasa penalty na itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So, Detura will be on the free throw line for 2 shots there. At kailangan niyang maipasok itong ating free 2 points para mabawasan itong kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero wala doon sa first attempt ni Detura. And now for his second attempt on the free throw line. Wala para kay Nitura. Now, Ateneo on the run to widen that gap against the Panthers. Pero Panthers hindi papayag dito. Steal from their side. Maru to Diaz. 18 seconds to shoot on the inside. That's good. Para dito kay jersey number 17. The Annunciation Panthers. Gobis.
Bautista with the ball possession on the side of the Golden Knights. Now jersey number 5 heavily guarded by Diaz. Looking for his teammate. And now Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense right now. And nahihirapan dahil sa pinapakita dito ang depensa ng ating Panthers.
Pero 3 seconds violation dun sa loob para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. No, napakainit ng panahon natin ngayon. Pero at the same time, mainit din itong bakbakan ng Ateneo Golden Knights and Annunciation Panthers. 42-48 in favor of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now 14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Panthers here. Maru. Papasok sa loob. Tries. No good. And the ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So they still have an opportunity here to lessen that gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 42-48. A minute and 38 seconds remaining para dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Gobis. 11 seconds to shoot. Maru ngayon, naghihintay dito. Tries for a long three. No good. Defensive rebound dito ni Gobis. And that's good. Second chance point para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At 4 na lamang hinahabol na dito, but at this time, it's the Ateneo's basketball.
It's number 17. Again, nahihirapan dito ang makakuha ng puntos ang Ateneo Golden Knights because of the tight defense showing para dito sa ating third quarter matchup. Both teams are showing great defense inside this Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Now, Ateneo with the ball possession right now. Jersey number 5 looking for Bautista. Fires for that 3. And 3 points para dito kay Bautista para madagdagan ang kalamangang hawak nila dito sa ating laro. Now 45 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter.
Now, a traveling violation from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Shoutout naman tayo dyan kay Cyber Rosales, ang ating photographer dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. Kay James Angelo Gabarda, shoutout din po. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagantabay. Now, Ateneo's basketball, 36 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, 44-51. Now, jersey number 5. Heavily guarded here. Now passes to jersey number 2. Para sa 3-point shot. No good. The Panthers on the run. 19 seconds. Another steal. Bakbakan kung bakbakan dito. Ateneo's basketball. 12 seconds remaining here. Papasok sa loob. No good. Pero klaro andyan with a foul para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Let's see on that replay. What a great move coming from Claro on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 53-44 on our scoreboard. Now let's see kay Claro kung madadagdagan pa nga ang puntos.
Now 7 seconds for the side of the Annunciation Panthers para makakuha ng puntos dito at mabawasan ang 10-point lead. At dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Napakaganda po para sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero we're going to see dun sa ating last sequence. (44-54). Ito na yung pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating bakbakan of the Annunciation Panthers and the Ateneo Golden Knights. We will be back for more action sa ating fourth quarter. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami ulit para sa ating fourth quarter. Dito lang yan sa... Ayun nga, nagbabalik tayo dito sa ating live coverage. Detura on the free throw line dahil dun sa ating last sequence during our third quarter. 44-54 on our scoreboard. Now Detura on his second attempt. Chance to lessen that gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. No good, offensive rebound, pero wala pa rin para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. 45-54. Yan nga po ang pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. Magbabalik po kami sa fourth and last quarter of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
back for our fourth and final quarter sa match-up ng Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights versus the Annunciation Panthers. At abante pa rin nga dito ang Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights, 54-45 on our scoreboard.
Now a 9-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda nga po nung ating third quarter para dito sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. While on the other side, itong ating Annunciation Panthers medyo nahirapan because of the defense of the Golden Knights. But at this time, dahil nga last quarter na lamang natin dito, kailangan nang mag-step up nitong ating Annunciation Panthers at ibalik yung momentum nila na nakita natin during the first half of this game against the Ateneo Golden Knights. And now Ditura on the free throw line.
Ayan, nahihirapan nga dito team magkaroon ng magandang opensa ang Annunciation Panthers because Ateneo Golden Knights talagang ayaw nilang lamang dito ang kanilang kalaban. They want this game and they want to win this one para sa kanilang school. But turnover on their side, so chance for the Panthers here to score.
Yes, ito na yung opportunity ng Annunciation Panthers to lessen that 6-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Ditura for the Panthers. Ayun. Corner here now, choosing Gopis. 10 seconds to shoot here. Grabe yung depensa ngayon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Yes, ngayon. And wala pa rin. So the ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda para sa pagsimula ng ating fourth quarter. Ito na nga yung ating deciding quarter kung sino nga ba makakauwi ng kanilang panalo this afternoon. Will it be the Ateneo Golden Knights or unang panalo dito sa Bukal Season 6 ng ating Annunciation Panthers? Now Ateneo's basketball. 10 seconds to shoot here for the Golden Knights. Jersey number 5 now passes to jersey number 2. No good on that 3-point attempt.
Now Ditura, itatawid ngayon ang bola para sa Annunciation Panthers. 48-54 on our scoreboard. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito. And what a great layup coming from Ditura on that last play on the side of Panthers. At yun nga, para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng Annunciation Panthers, let's call our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Tin, we are now on the last quarter of the game and it's truly an intense fight between the Annunciation Panthers and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang nagpapasiklaban ang dalawang teams na maipakita ang kanilang galing at determinasyon. Coach Van have been constantly rallying the Panthers na huwag magmadali at huwag magpadala sa pressure ng kalaban. He also added to keep their heads up and stick to their strategy to break the opponent's rhythm. Yan lamang updates mula dito sa sideline ng Annunciation Panthers. This is your courtside correspondent Casey Anchoquia. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga yung gagawin ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Talagang walang pressure para sa kanilang side. And also, gagawin nila yung lahat para sa kanilang opensa as well as the defense. 50-56, 6-point lead of the Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating fourth quarter. 7 minutes and 53 seconds na lamang nga po ang natitira natin dito. At para makihingi tayo ng update all the way from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, let's hear it from Chen. Hi Chen, any updates?
Thank you, Rick and Tin. Last quarter na nga at ramdam na ramdam ko pa rin ang init ng laban dito sa dalawang kupunan. Dito na natin malalaman kung sino ba ang uuwing panalo. Kaya naman the Ateneo Golden Knights need to continue their passing and screening dito sa ating last quarter para mapanatili ang kalamangan. They have to give their all. Bigyan na ng malaking depensa because defense is the best offense and once they go hard, they are going to execute the game plan properly. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, Ateneo Golden Knights, they need to be consistent at this moment because kahit hawak nila ang kalamangan ngayon, pwede itong maagaw sa kanila ng Annunciation Panthers. So kailangan nila ditong i-continue yung great passing and blocking on the side of their team. So right on yung nga on that previous play, nagkaroon ng 3 points ang ating Annunciation Panthers.
Now, still ball possession of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 8 on the free throw line, Belano. 53-58. Still, nasa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights ang kanilang kalamangan. And let's see. Dahil hindi pa nga tapos ang ating laban, itong ating Annunciation Panthers talagang hindi papayag na makuha ng Ateneo Golden Knights ng basta-basta yung kanilang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. Now, 53-60.
Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. 7-point lead ang hawak ng Ateneo na kailangang habulin ng kupunan ng Panthers. Jersey number 12, dire-diretso dito para sa kanilang kupunan and tries for that three. No good. Now jersey number 17. Wala pa rin on the 3-point attempt para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Another wasted opportunity para sa kanilang kupunan.
Yes, and at this point, ito na nga yung gagawing opportunity nitong ating Ateneo Golden Knights para dire-diretso yung kanilang gagawin ditong plays. And now, ball possession pa rin po ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 8 seconds to shoot. Pero a traveling violation was committed on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 53-60 on our scoreboard. 6 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Now ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. And at this time, kailangan nang gumawa dito ng paraan. Garmedia. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Esquilano. Esquilano now fadeaway shot. No good. Offensive rebound. And a whistled foul para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now jersey number 8, Dumasig, will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here.
Kailangan ditong pumuntos ng Annunciation Panthers if they really want to win this game. And Dumasig, basket para sa kanya on the first attempt, 54-60 on our scoreboard. Mahaba-haba pa dito ang oras at let's see kung sino ang mananalo between these two teams. Now, Ateneo basketball.
Jersey number 8 now on the run para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. No good on that attempt. Now Annunciation Panthers have a chance here to lessen that gap of the Ateneo Golden Knights. 6 minutes on our game clock. Now Garmedia tries for a deep 3. No good. Now Ateneo nagmamadali na dito. Belano. 18 seconds to shoot. Pentecostes, no good.
Rebound coming from Dumasig. Now, Hermedia, nagmamadali dito. Talagang nahihirapan when there comes to their offense. But Dumasig on that second chance point para sa ating Annunciation Panthers. So, hindi pa huli ang lahat para dito sa Panthers. Let's see kung makakatay ba or makukuha ba ang larong ito ng kanilang kupunan, or will the Ateneo Golden Knights secure their second win here? And right on cue, Belano nagpakawala ng 3 para sa last sequence na yon.
This point, the Annunciation Panthers, kailangan lahat ng opportunity na meron sila ay magawa ng paraan dito dahil itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights di diretso talaga. Now a steal from the side of the Golden Knights. Nagmamadali dito, jersey number 14 to Belano. Blocked by Esquilano. Substitution, Maru babalik sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 16 seconds to shoot on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, jersey number 14, Solomon to inbound. Tries for a deep 3. No good. Offensive rebound dito, Claro. Wala pa rin. Now, Panthers on the run. 56-63. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 37 seconds in our fourth quarter. Jersey number 4 now tries mid-range jumper. The ball will go on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Shoutout tayo dito, Rick, kay James Nathaniel Miriapre, Rain Reyes, kay Simon Francio Palma. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, Ateneo's basketball, Abiog. Passes to Pentecostes. 15 seconds to shoot. Tries on the inside. No good. Nagkakago dito sa ating now, the Tura. Ball is still alive here as the Ateneo are running for it. Diretso para dito kay Pentecostes. Napakagandang depensa and offense of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And with that, mapapatawag nga ng timeout ang ating Annunciation Panthers. 56-65, 3 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. 9 points nga po ang nagawa ng Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating fourth quarter. And napakaganda nung mga plays dito ng Ateneo. Kung kaya talagang kailangan na gumawa ng paraan itong ating Annunciation Panthers para at least mabawasan itong kalamangan na yon ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. And as you can see on that fast break, jersey number 14 on the run and a good assist to Pentecostes. Kung kaya naman grabe yung energy dito ng ating Ateneo fans. Now we are back on the ball game. Abangan niyo po ang ating susunod na laro. It's the ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Tigers. Now back to the ball game. Annunciation Panthers. A steal from the side of the Ateneo, Amador. 18 seconds to shoot here. Claro for a second chance point. Ngayon, umaarangkada na ang ating Ateneo Golden Knights dito sa ating fourth quarter and another steal from their side. 56-67. Mukhang mas lalaki pa dito yung kalamangan ng Ateneo. Pentecostes ngayon nasa loob. A fadeaway shot. That's good. Buhay na buhay itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights dito for the remaining time of 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
What a fourth quarter match para dito sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Talagang patuloy na umaarangkada dito sa ating laro, and right now nasa kanila pa rin dito ang ball possession, and still nakakakuha sila dito ng magandang opensa to add their score at para makalamang ng malaki dito sa ating larong ito. Now, klarong-klaro nga ang shoot na yon on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Another 2 points was added on their side. 71-56 para dito sa ating laro.
Napalaki na nga ng Ateneo Golden Knights yung kalamangan nila dito. Now tries Maru get that 3-point shot. At ayun na, nasa Ateneo Golden Knights pa rin ang napakalaking kalamangan na iyan. A 12-point lead coming from the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Shoutout naman tayo dito kay Carla May Calleja, kay Rain Reyes. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, Pentecostes of the Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 14 now passes to Claro. 5 seconds to shoot. No good.
Now, whistle coming from our referee here. The ball will remain on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining para sa ating laro. And still, Annunciation Panthers, they are down here Maru will try on the 3-point opportunity. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa kanya, pero medyo nabitawan or napalakas dito ang dribble on the side of the Panthers. That's why all possession ngayon ng Golden Knights.
Ayan, Rick, shoutout din tayo dito kay Jameson Brenya na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdabay. Now, Ateneo with a 12-point lead. Pentecostes tries for 3. No good. Claro with that good rebound. (59-71). A minute and 15 seconds remaining para dito sa ating bakbakang Ateneo and Annunciation Panthers. Claro. That's good for his first attempt. We'll try again for the second time. That's good. Now naitaas na nga sa 14 ang kalamangan dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Panthers on the offense. 59-73. Ateneo Golden Knights very comfortable with their lead right now. Meanwhile, Annunciation Panthers kailangan talagang makakuha ng puntos dito sa ating larong ito. And right on cue, jersey number 30 with that great move to add their score here sa ating laro. 61-73 with a remaining time of 56 seconds.
Now, mabilis na lamang yung oras natin pero 12 points itong kalamangan ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, copies, be diretso, and get that point. 10 na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol dito with the 44 seconds remaining. Ano kaya yung mangyayari dito, Rick? Mahaba-haba pa yung ating 44 seconds pero malaki din yung agwat na 10 points ng ating Golden Knights dito. Pero still, a good matchup between these two teams. At sabi nga natin kanina, Rick, abangan niyo po ang ating fourth game this afternoon. It's the ACLC Naga versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Two undefeated teams na kailangan nating abangan maya-maya. Now, 10-point lead ang hahabulin ngayon on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, and let's see kung magagawa niya ng paraan dito sa natitirang 44 seconds ng ating laro. So sabi nga nila, bilog ang bola, and let's see kung makakakuha sila ng magandang clutch game dito sa ating larong ito. And on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, they need to be consistent at wag na magpahabol para makuha ang kanilang pangalawang panalo dito sa ating liga.
Yes, and now meron po tayong 5 laro ngayong araw at nasa pangatlo na po tayo. At sabi nga natin kanina, yung ating fourth game, it's the ACLC versus the NCF. Now, ball possession of the Ateneo with the remaining time of 43 seconds. Sarmiento. Now, Sarmiento. Pass to jersey number 5. 13 seconds to shoot. Moves the ball. And it will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers with the remaining time of 30 seconds. Medyo mahirap na ito, but let's see. On the side of the Panthers, Maru nagmamadali dito. A whistle foul. So, tatlong free throw ang ibibigay dito kay Maru. Fouled on the 3-point line. That's good on that first attempt of Maru. Now,
9-point lead para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Maru need this one. No good. Now, another chance here para kay Maru para maibaba dito sa 8 ang kalamangan. Kailangan nilang habulin at yun nga, Maru with a blue basket on his third attempt. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights may hawak ng bola ngayon. Heavily guarded here on the side of Panthers, but a whistle coming from our referee.
Walo ang hinahabol dito ng Annunciation Panthers. Meron na lamang tayong 22 seconds on our game clock. And now, nasa penalty na nga ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Sarmiento will be on the free throw line for 2 shots here. And maraming salamat din po sa ating mga sponsors ngayong hapon ito. No good on that first attempt of Sarmiento. Now, let's see. On his second try on that free throw line. 65-73, 22 seconds remaining. That's good. Back to 9-point lead. Itong hawak ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and the timeout was called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. 22 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo ngayong hapon na ito para sa matchup ng Annunciation and the Ateneo Golden Knights. 65-74. Napakagandang bakbakan po dito ng Ateneo and Annunciation, pero doon nga sa ating third quarter medyo naiwan itong Annunciation Panthers, kaya medyo nahirapan din sila na habulin yung puntos dito ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights. But still, a good fight between these two teams. And we're just waiting for the final call dito sa ating matchup na ito.
Yan, team, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Wow Worlds of Water, NCF-TRC, and NCF-IMC Digital Graphics, Biggs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Moen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Thank you so much po for your support. Now, we are down to our 22 seconds para sa ating larong Ateneo Golden Knights versus the Annunciation Panthers. 74-65. Abante pa rin dito ang kupunan ng Golden Knights. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense right now. Tries for that one. No good. Offensive rebound ang ibibigay sa kanilang kupunan. Wala pa din para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Yun nga, nabanggit mo kanina, ang gandang performance ang pinakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Medyo kinapos nga itong Annunciation Panthers on the latter part of game. But again, it was a nice game for these both teams. Meanwhile, the Ateneo Golden Knights talagang uhaw na uhaw para dito sa panalo. No good para doon sa last attempt na yon ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and that's the end of our game. 74-65 ang ating final score. Panalo nga dito ang Golden Knights. Magbabalik po kami para makilala ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
best player of the game is brought to you by Ateneo de Naga University won a big fight, and the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights are victorious as they get their second win against the Annunciation Panthers. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's go to the man who led the charge for the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights with 16 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. None other than jersey number 15, John Claro. Good afternoon and congratulations. Can you share with us kung paano nyo sinunod ang game plan ni Coach para makuha ang panalo?
Naging focus lang po kami. We trusted the system. When we trust the system, good things happen po. That's for sure po. Yan lang po.
Ayan, how does it feel na second win at ikaw ang best player of the game?
Syempre po, masaya but we're still not contented since our goal is to be top 1 in our bracket po. Yan lang po.
Ayan, as the best player of the game, invite mo na, pasalamatan mo naman ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa buong Ateneo community po, sa Ateneo Cavalry, sa parents, sa friends po na nanonood. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Ayan, thank you so much and congratulations. Bicolandia, this has been Chen Shaira Nicolas, your courtside reporter, only here at Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game from the Ateneo Golden Knights, jersey number 15, JC Claro with 16 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Again, congratulations sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights dahil napakaganda pong laban na ipinakita nila against the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayan, talagang pinakitaan tayo ng dalawang koponan kanina ng magandang bakbakan sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. So, susunod na laro, abangan natin ang NCF Tigers versus the ACLC Naga, only here at Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Reyes. Maganda po ang bakbakan natin mamaya only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.